If your game takes way too long to load, even though your PC is decent, there's one small window setting that most people never touch, and it can make a real difference. It's not a program, it's not a mod, it doesn't mess with your games at all. Windows is actually slowing you down. Here's what's happening. When a game loads, it constantly pulls data from your drive into memory, textures, shaders, maps, audio, and everything. But Windows is constantly trying to save power in the background, so it puts your drive to sleep. That's fine for office work. It's awful for gaming. Your drive goes to sleep, wakes up again, goes to sleep again, and all those tiny delays stack up into slower, inconsistent loading screens. The fix is simple. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options, make sure you're not using a power saver plan, select High Performance or Ultimate Performance if you see it. Now click Change Plan Settings for your next active plan, then change Advanced Power Settings, find Hard Disks, and expand it. Then open Turn Off Hard Disks after. There's a number there, minutes, seconds, and anything. That means Windows is allowed to put your drive to sleep. Set it to 0. 0 means never. Click Apply, then OK, and that's it. What this does is tell Windows to keep your drive awake while you're gaming. No more constant sleep-wake cycles, no unnecessary delays when a game needs data. You'll notice a big difference in an open-world games, games with large map, modded games, anything that loads assets during gameplay. It won't magically boost your FPS, but loading time feels better, smoother, and more consistent, especially between levels or fast travel. One quick note though, if you're on a laptop, only do this if you're plugged in power plan. On a desktop, there's basically no downside. That's it. One small toggle hidden in Windows and it fixes something that annoys a lot of people without them even knowing why. If you test it, drop a comment with the game you tried it on, and if you want a more simple PC fix like this, no nonsense, no place boo, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.